You may be tired of your hair looking like crazy. So in this video, I'm gonna show you my whole routine, my full wash day routine from start to finish until I get my hair soft like this and not looking crazy, because you do not want that, right? What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kinky Naturally, helping you love and grow your natural hair the natural way. Today I'm gonna show you my full wash day routine for your hair to stop looking like this, but more look like something like this: soft, glowing and beautiful, shining. We're gonna jump into the video, but before you do this, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. I talk about natural hair tips, self-care tips, and everything that can help you thrive in your environment. So consider subscribing. Let's jump into the video. So my hair has been in a bun the entire week and I'm ready to unravel for my perfect wash day. The first thing I do is to saturate my hair with water, warm water, so you can open up your cuticles for the next product to penetrate better on a deeper level. I am gonna use the Jolly Texture Deep Cleansing Shampoo. It's a rich hair cream shampoo that is very lathering and also very moisturizing and softening for your hair. It's made with rice water, and when I use it, it makes my hair shine better, and it also makes my hair detangle while I'm doing it. Sometimes it's difficult to find a shampoo that helps your hair detangle without breaking, and this shampoo does just that for me. It softens my hair, moisturizes it, and it's made with a slippery elm, marshmallow root, and aloe vera. All nice ingredients that are good for your hair. Once I'm done stimulating my scalp and making sure that everywhere is cleaned, I'm gonna rinse my hair with warm water still, so I can move on to the next product. When I'm rinsing my hair, I'm also making sure that it's warm water so the conditioner can work better on my hair. I'm using my moisturizing conditioner, which is very thick, and while I'm doing that, I'm applying it from the tips to the end, so the ends, which are the weakest part of your hair, can be moisturized and still soft. You don't want them to break because of dryness, so make sure you focus on your hands. After I figure detangle my hair, I make sure that my hair is not too tangled, so I can use a wide tooth comb or hair pick. My hair hasn't been detangled for a while, and that was my mistake because I was too busy with life, guys. Sometimes it's crazy and you all know about it. But I am not trying to be rough the video. I'm speeding it a little bit, but you have to try to be as gentle as possible with this step. When you're done with that process, you're gonna continue using your finger, but the roots are usually the most tangled part of your hair. If you leave them wrapped all the time, you don't have time to detangle your roots, and sometimes you do that in the shower. So make sure you focus on that and adding all the conditioner everywhere, and I do that for about 6 to 9 minutes. And once I feel like I'm done, I'm gonna use water to just drain it all over my hair and remove that conditioner. I leave it for 6 minutes because it's really important. It's really good for your hair, and it also helps with the shampoo part that you already did, so you can restore moisture on your hair. This is all I'm doing. I'm just restoring moisture on my hair. Next, I'm gonna use my hair mask, which is a really thick cream, and my hair love thick cream because it's also a thick hair that I have, and my kinky hair sometimes it gets dry. So when you use a deep conditioner, it's not necessary to do it every week unless your hair is very damaged. But when you do that, you help your hair get better nutrient, which penetrates your hair shaft on a deeper level. Because during the week, you don't have time to do certain things with your hair. This deep conditioner is gonna coat your hair with some protection, so your hair doesn't break easily throughout the week. And especially if you have damaged hair, if you have dry hair, the best way to restore that is by using a deep conditioner. I'm gonna continue doing so, and I'm gonna section my hair. Also, it's something I'm still working on. Sectioning my hair is very hard for me to do and to remember, but I'm trying to do that, and I'm using the hair pick so I can allow the product to be evenly distributed. It's working very fine, but still some part of my hair is very tangled. I'm gonna show you after this entanglement how my hair is gonna get later on. So we're gonna continue trying to get rid of all that tangle that the hair has. You can do that with the hair pick, with a white tooth comb. You can use a brush that is not too rough on your hair. You can also use your finger, which is the best tool you can ever have at your disposition everywhere and anywhere to use on your hair. I'm also gonna cover my hair with a shower cap after doing so, and I left it on for about 30 minutes, and then your hair is way softer. It's just like magic in a jar, in a bottle. When you use a deep conditioner, that's what it feels like to me. Either you do it, either you buy it, it just feels better after using it. I'm gonna rinse off the deep conditioner on my hair, and look, my hair looks and feels different. And the rice water in the product make your hair look darker too. I forgot to mention that earlier. It does feel darker, it does look darker, and it does feel softer and more moisturized. I need to trim my hair again. I'm probably gonna do another video for that, but for now we're gonna focus on how to soften our hair in the shower. So you guys see that I use a lot of hair pick, a lot of I do a lot of finger detangling on my hair. A lot of detangling is important so you don't have a problem once you step out of the shower. But I definitely lost a lot of hair, which is something also about postpartum hair shedding I'm experiencing right now, which is when you lose a lot of hair after delivering. So it's also normal. Next, I'm gonna use my moisturizing hair cream, which is also made with rice water. It's made to strengthen my hair, and I love using this thick and rich hair cream on my hair. It's from Jolie Texture, and this product, all of them will be listed down below if you are interested in checking them out. I'm using it and using my finger, and look how that thing melts in my hair. It just melts on my hair. Next, I'm gonna use my hair pick, or you can also use a white tooth comb or brush. At this point, your hair is way softer. You don't have to worry too much about the softness. And I'm gonna use my rosemary hair oil, which is very stimulating. It's made with rosemary and peppermint, along with other ingredients that are amazing for your hair. My drum is already finished actually. I use that to seal in moisture. It's either you use a butter or you use an oil. Some people use both. I'm doing just the oil to seal in moisture. But when you do use heavy product on your hair, make sure you clarify your hair once or twice a week so you can remove product buildup. Then I'm gonna brush my hair, so I'm making sure that I'm smoothing everything, and then I'm gonna braid my hair once I'm done with that. When you're doing that, make sure that the ends are also detangled, and hold it tight as I'm doing right now, so you can make sure that your hair is very stretched. This is how stretched you want your hair to be while it's wet, so when it dries out, it stays in the same state. This is very crucial for me. That's what I do, and I keep my hair, it helps my hair stay stretched throughout the week. Next, I'm gonna do it on the other side the same way, and this is it. We're gonna then show you how I unravel my hair later on, but my camera actually stopped recording and I had to use my phone. This is how it looks at the end. You can use a blow dryer, but the next day, once your hair is fully dried, sometimes I wait like 2 days, or sometimes I do it another day, and I just unravel my hair. My hair is very soft, they fully dried, Make sure that it's fully dry, because once your hair is dry, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Look at it. Very soft and very stretched. I'm gonna then style my hair. You don't have to add product again if you feel like your hair is moisturized enough still. And I am not gonna add anything else on my hair. My hair is like really very soft. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. It was with you, Kenki Naturally, helping you grow and love your natural hair the natural way. I'll see you soon for another video. In the meantime, before I see you next week, keep thriving.